Hello students, let's study biology practical. Question number 4, spot E. Weightage of this spot E is 1 mark. So this practical, this spot is of 4-leaf experiment. Okay, see, this is your experiment number 1 in your handbook. Comparative study of rate of transpiration in the upper and lower surface of leaf using 4-leaf experiment. See students, here we have to study rate of transpiration in upper and in lower leaf. Transpiration means what? Transpiration means the loss of water in the form of vapors through the aerial parts of the plant is called as transpiration. Okay, so we have to study here what is the rate of transpiration from upper leaf and from the lower leaf. So let's study this 4-leaf experiment. First of all, we will see what are the materials required for this experiment. First of all, we should need 2 stands, thread, Vaseline or you can say petroleum jelly, and 4 leaf of equal size. Okay, these 4 things we are required: 2 strand, string or you can say thread, petroleum jelly, and 4 leaf of same size. Now what we will do, before starting with this experiment, what we will do to this first leaf, we will apply this Vaseline on both the side of leaf. We will apply Vaseline or you can say petroleum jelly on both the side of this leaf. In second, we have applied Vaseline only towards the lower side, only towards the lower side of the leaf, and of course on the petiole also we will close or we will put the Vaseline. In third leaf, this is leaf A, this is leaf B, this is leaf C, this is leaf D. In C leaf, we will apply Vaseline or petroleum jelly only towards the upper side, and in D leaf, we will not at all apply Vaseline. So what we have done, what materials we have taken, we need 2 strand, we need thread, we need petroleum jelly or Vaseline, we need 4 different leaves of equal size and shape. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to apply this Vaseline on leaf A on both the side. In B, we have applied Vaseline only towards the lower surface. In leaf C, we have to apply Vaseline only on the upper surface, and in fourth leaf, we have not at all applied Vaseline. So, now we will tie this leaf and we will fix it on the strand. In this manner, we will tie it. Then, what is the result? When we are keeping it in sunlight or we are keeping it undisturbed for 24 hours, what result we will get? In first leaf, in A leaf, we will see the leaf remains fresh. Why the leaf is fresh? Because here we have applied Vaseline on both the surface of the leaf, on the upper surface and on the lower surface. So exactly what we have done, we have closed the stomatal pores. Okay, so no transpiration took place from here, from upper surface and from lower surface. So as a result, this leaf remains fresh. Coming to next, what happens here, we have applied Vaseline on the lower surface. In first leaf, we have applied Vaseline on both the surface. That's why the leaf remains fresh. But in leaf B, we have applied Vaseline on the lower surface. On lower surface, and you know, on the lower surface maximum number of stomata are present, and on upper surface comparatively less number of stomata are present. Okay, so in leaf B, what we have done, we have applied petroleum jelly or Vaseline to the lower surface. Because of this, what happened, wilting is there. Okay, but the wilting is very less amount of leaf get wilt. Now coming to third leaf, that is C leaf, we have applied petroleum jelly only on the upper surface where already less number of stomata are there, and the lower part where maximum stomata are there, we have kept open. Okay, so what happens, maximum wilting or more wilting takes place here in leaf C, because maximum stomata we have kept open, so transpiration took place from there. What is the result in leaf D, where we have not at all applied Vaseline? what happens here? The stomatal pores are completely open. So in leaf D, where we have not applied Vaseline at all, what was the result here? Completely wilted. The leaf is totally or fully get wilted. Okay, so here it shows that here, as we are closing in leaf A, as we are closing the stomatal pores, the transpiration cannot take place and the leaf remains fresh. In second case, we have applied Vaseline on the lower surface where maximum stomata are present. We have closed that surface. That's why transpiration took place, but in a lesser amount. So less wilting is there. In third case, we have applied Vaseline on the upper surface and lower surface we have kept free, where actually maximum number of stomata are present, and from there the transpiration took place. So in C leaf, more wilting is there as compared to B leaf. Now coming to last leaf, that is leaf D. Here we have not at all applied Vaseline or petroleum jelly. So transpiration took place from both the places, from upper surface and from lower surface, and the leaf get completely wilted. So here this is the experiment of four leaf method. Now at the time of exam, if this question is asked, what you should write in the paper? In the paper, first of all, you should write aim. Observation, you will write what you have observed. You have observed in leaf A, petroleum jelly is applied on both the surface. In leaf B, it is applied on lower surface. In leaf C, it is applied on the upper surface only. And in leaf D, this Vaseline or petroleum jelly is not at all applied. This is your observation. What result you got from this? A leaf remains fresh. B leaf, little wilting is there. C leaf, more wilted. And last leaf, where no Vaseline is applied, it is fully wilted. So this much you should write for 1 mark. So here we have completed 4 leaf experiment. Thank you.